Janarayan Bacho, I hope you all are doing good. I hope you are following SMS rules. So today we are going to start the second part of the same chapter 4, Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Yesterday we were talking about chapter 4, Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian woman in space. So earlier we had read that she was, besides being an astronaut, she was also got license to fly single multi-engines airplanes, seaplanes, gliders, and she was also qualified as a pilot. Kalpana began to consider another challenge. She took another challenge. She applied in NASA, and she was also selected for that. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA, but in 1994 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Earlier she was hired to do research as a scientist at NASA, but in 1994 she was selected to get training as an astronaut in NASA. Many media people took interviews of her, and she was very happy. She said that I have never took myself, or I had never underestimated myself. I have never thought that I am from a small city, country, village. I have always followed my path. That was the statement of Kalpana Chawla. His first space mission was in the Space Shuttle Columbia. You can see Space Shuttle Columbia, and it was completed within 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During that time she went around the earth. That space shuttles went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. Can you tell me 1 million equals to what? 1 million equals to 10 lakhs. So now you can calculate 10.45 million kilometers. She covered the distance of 10.45 million kilometers. She was not alone there. It was a crew. Many people were from different countries, like the crew included a Japanese. There were many astronauts from different countries, and in the space they performed many experiments, like pollinating plants to observe food growth. Pollinating means fine powder into a flower or plant so that it produces seeds. To put a fine powder, we put something in a form of powder into a flower or plant so that it can produce seeds. So they did such experiments in the space. They also tried for making strong metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag, and there was expense of $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the people got the news that the Columbia disaster broke, people were very sad, especially from the Karnal, and they were glued to the television screens to know about that disaster.
For Texas and Louisiana as it re-entered Earth's atmosphere. All 7 crew members on board were killed. Bob Orr's reporting led the evening news that night.
Shuttle Columbia, with 7 astronauts aboard, was streaking across the blue Texas skies just 16 minutes from home when it blew apart. In a horrifying echo of the Challenger catastrophe 17 years earlier, flaming debris fell to Earth along a 300-mile-long trail of destruction from Fort Worth to western Louisiana.
Sadly, I think from the video that's available,
to insulate the external fuel tank, broke off and struck the leading edge of the left wing. It caused no obvious damage to the wing or the heat tiles that protect the shuttle during re-entry. But now there are preliminary indications the shuttle's breakup may have begun on that same left side. That's where NASA lost the sensors and where Mission Control noted, quote,
a piece of foam that had damaged the spacecraft's heat-resistant tiles. NASA faced sharp criticism for not doing anything about the foam problem, despite having known about it from previous launches.
A famous journalist wrote, "She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. To become an astronaut, you need to do studies of every kind, and she did. People got the news that she was dead, that in that crash of a space shuttle. And for millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, has become an inspiration. People got to know about one message from her. She wrote, "The path from dreams to success does exist. People say it is impossible, but nothing is impossible for her, or according to her. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on to it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many in her footsteps who start off his journey to fulfill their dreams." So they inspired many people to follow their dreams. These are the word meanings of your chapter: frontier, boundary, pollinating, to put a fine powder into a flower or plant so that it produces seeds, blast off, to leave the ground or to take off. One quiz will be conducted on the basis of this chapter. You have to prepare for your quiz. Date will be given to you. So prepare for your chapter. Prepare for your quiz. Thank you for the day. Jai Narayana.